Dive into the world of food safety where vigilance meets virtue. Explore how good manufacturing practices are the secret ingredients to safeguarding our health with every meal. Hi, my name is Mami Tutua Eninfing, a member of Group 4, and I'm here to talk about a particular food vendor my group members and I discovered. Let's call them G4 Foods. Their current PRPs we think are suitable for G4 Foods, and how they can improve on their food hygiene practices. Join us as we digest our findings. So under premises, we'll be looking at exterior and interior. For premises, the building should be sited in areas prone to insects. Check out for floody areas and pollutants before siting. The materials used for constructing the building should not be a source of contamination to the food products.
As shown in the picture below, we would advise G4 Foods to set up their production house in a completely enclosed area to minimize pest entry and avoid contamination. There should also be a designated entrance and exit area for staff and visitors. The walls should be painted with oil paint for easy cleaning. The ceiling should be well finished as shown in the picture below. To prevent any physical hazard from occurring, G4 Foods can fully cement and polish their floors.
I'm Obri Abua Juliet, a member of Group 4, and I'll be taking you through the equipment in prerequisite programs. When we talk of prerequisite programs, they are the programs that are set or put in place to control environmental hazards and to prevent the contamination of food products. So under equipment, your equipment should be easy to clean and it shouldn't be a source of contamination. When we say it shouldn't be a source of contamination, it means it shouldn't introduce any harmful substances into the food or any microorganisms. And your equipment should be well organized. It should be stored properly and it should be properly maintained. It means you have to check your equipment regularly to see whether there is a damage so that you can repair it early.
And also how their equipment are stored and disorganized is very bad. So as seen in the picture, they can use this to organize and then store their equipment well.
I'm Osei Ajaba Fabna, and I'm taking you through personnel. The personnel is a key element in our food facilities. They consist of training, health, and hygiene requirements. In our picture, we saw a lot of bad habits that occurs in within our personnel. And they are not covering the hair, serving with their bare hands. Due to this bad habit in our food industry, it has led to a high risk of foodborne illness in our country. So I will advise them to put on the appropriate garments, wash their hands with soap and water, cover their hair, wear gloves, remove all rings and wristwatches when cooking and also serving.
Kunadu is my name, and I'm here to talk about sanitation and pest control. So sanitation is the process of keeping places free from dirt, infection, diseases, and removing waste by cleaning the sites against the pests to reduce the number of harmful bacteria that can cause illness.
There are pictures and videos. The place is not clean. The floor, the walls, tables, everything there is disorganized and it can breed insects, rodents, flies, etc. There is no free corner there and it's very difficult for them to clean. Even the outside the building, there are weeds and of where they sell the food. There's a choke gutter there that can breed mosquitoes and flies to contaminate the food. To control this pest, there should be a free corner, proper arrangement of things. There should be cleaning both inside and outside the building and dispose waste. They should clean the choke gutters and use insecticide sprays and keep them far away from raw materials.
I'm Opare Kelvin. I'm Paul Akpete. Here are some food hygiene practices for G4 Foods. So some of the practices are washing of hands very well by cooking personnel. G4 Foods should stay informed. That is to get the latest guidelines about the food safety management in order to observe proper food handling, safety, storage, and also preparation. By cleaning of surfaces with sanitizers and alcohol. Another hygiene practice is management of waste. That is to learn the proper way of disposing waste in order to prevent contamination.
Instead of water stored in the barrel, the use of running water is encouraged.
In conclusion,
All food businesses are to follow the PRBs for the production of safe foods.
Thank you.